hurt.
What? Okay.
Woo! Everyone's playing in the rain.
You can't play in the rain.
Oh, she likes the rain though. The kids in the neighborhood are all just running around, playing in the rain, playing in the puddles, asking us to come out and play with them. Whilst the kitties of the neighborhood have all decided to seek shelter on our porch. This is Not Cat, because everyone claims it's not their cat. I named her Not. And this is Billy.
But you just call her
But I
Bagheera.
call him Bagheera. Here's another neighborhood child on their way to pneumonia. And there they are. And here she is.
Oh, look.
Hi, pretty girl.
She can sit up on her own. How about that?
Yes, she can sit up on her own.
Nope, can't have my help.
She can sit up on her own.
Don't lean back. Nope. Nope.
She got a tooth. So, here's our pretty little girl.
Woo.
Yeah. So we got baby and daddy and me, but it's on zoom in, so I probably look really close. Do I look close?
There you go, right there, it's on your face.
Hi! YouTube, I love you. And we're just watching the kids play and have a fun time.
Kitty. Kitty.
It's still raining relatively hard. Trying to find a puddle so you can see just how much it's raining. Maybe if I do it this way. They're rolling around in puddles, just walking around the complex.
The cat was like getting up on you, and then the cat started doing this, like doing that kneading thing.
A lot of their holes of water were like 3 feet deep over there.
What are y'all doing? What?
Oh, Timothy just broke out a boogie board.
This racing? Slow.
Really hate them.
They're gonna go boogie boarding. So fun.
Please.
They're little kids. Crazy.
Here's a kitty. Bagheera. Bagheera. Not cat. Hi. Hi. If anyone would like to give her a home, just comment on my video. She's a beautiful little calico. She's a stray. She's fixed. And pretty much all I know about her. She's a pretty little calico kitty cat that's fixed, and she's a little about a year and a half old, something
Who
like
cares about
that.
someone else's not cat?
Exactly. So if anyone would like her and is interested in her and lives in the Wilmington, Castle Hayne, New Hanover County area.
We're trying to get rid of our cat. Why are you trying to get rid of the people's that not your cat?
He wants to get rid of our cat. I don't want to get rid of our cat. He wants to get rid of our cat. And
And we're
when
gonna
Mama
get rid of these
says
ones
something,
too
it
because
goes.
I have a feeling she'll want to adopt this one as soon as the other one's out of the house.
What are you talking about? I already want to adopt this one.
No.
Pretty little Not cat. She gets along with other kitty cats. She doesn't really respond to the name Not yet. Not. Not.
Nah.
No, see.
That one does.
That one just ran away in fear. Terror! Cower! Alright, well. Alright, well. Bye, YouTube. Bye-bye.
Yeah.